What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we got to go over Dogecoin here today. So Dogecoin right now is inside of a little bit of a consolidation right now, and honestly it has been for a little while, since 25th of June it shows here. So anyways, we are towards the bottom of this consolidation, so hopefully we can break out of this, because right now Dogecoin is really low right now, and it kind of looks like we may be going back down to our previous support. So honestly, it's not going to be that bad, but hopefully we do not drop all the way down to 15-16 cents, because that is unneeded right now. But anyways, can't predict exactly where it's going to go, but we can predict the direction we're going in now. And yeah, we're kind of going on a little bullish or bearish trend here until the end of the consolidation. Hopefully at the end of this consolidation we'll end up breaking out of it for a bullish trend instead of a bearish one. Honestly, look at Dogecoin here, 9.7%. We're down 9.7% for the last 7 days. That's pretty bad. But Baby Doge has been taking a shine of Dogecoin. Shiba Inu has been taking a shine. We have Shiba Swap now trending on Twitter right now. So yeah, Shiba Inu has been taking Dogecoin shine, Baby Doge, all these other different, dog coins. But yeah, Dogecoin has been losing its shine a little bit lately, but not much, because remember, Elon Musk still has influence in it. But anyways, look at these whales. This whale was made today. $69 million came in today from this one whale, and this was about 4 hours ago. So that's a lot of money right there. $69 million. If this whale is able to just put $69 million in here, just imagine what else they're going to put in there. And honestly, a whale putting that much in, it's not a millionaire. That is probably a billionaire, because a billionaire will take 1 to 5% of their portfolio, throw it in the Dogecoin, whereas a millionaire is not going to take all of their portfolio or even half of their portfolio and put it in there. It's just not going to happen. $69 million is a significant amount of money. And then there's still more Dogecoin whales out there. Like, let's go to the next Dogecoin whale. This Dogecoin whale is a day trader. So this Dogecoin whale came in today with 297 million, came out same amount. So this Dogecoin whale just came out in and out, and just sold the Dogecoin right off the bat. And there's more Dogecoin whales like that. This next Dogecoin whale did the same exact thing, came in, bought Dogecoin, and then sold it. And then this one actually is still holding Dogecoin for 3 days now. And then we have a lot of these Dogecoin whales that just come in and sell them. Like, come in, buy a bunch, and then sell a bunch of Dogecoin. So there's a lot of day trading on, a lot of market manipulation going on. So Dogecoin's price definitely seems like it's being pushed down artificially. Like, I'm not going to sit here and say that the whales are rug pulling on us, but it does look like it's being pushed down artificially. There was an article earlier about the Sanshu Inu thing. I showed you all that yesterday about Sanshu Inu, the developers of Sanshu Inu actually selling not Dogecoin, but Sanshu Inu. So they're selling Sanshu Inu tokens, and it's kind of driving down the price there. So we're seeing a lot of different, whales doing a lot of different fishy things behind the scenes, right? But there's also good whales out there. Like this article right here is saying, turning bullish institutions are net buyers of crypto for the last first time in 5 weeks, right? So yeah, they are now net buyers in crypto for the first time in 5 weeks. Now this is actually a very big statement, because just like how we were showing with all these different millionaires, but I'll call them billionaires because it really looks like they're billionaires, coming in with $69 million, coming with $240 million, investing all of it inside Dogecoin. These have to be the institutions that they're talking about. So let's go over here to see what they're talking about exactly. It says the Grayscale. This is the Grayscale Trust, whatever. I guess they do all these ETFs for like cryptos. But then you had the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, the Grayscale Basic Attention Token Trust. So people who are interested in basic attention token, and then Bitcoin Cash. They have Chainlink. They have Decentraland. They have Ethereum Classic, Filecoin, Horizon. They have Litecoin and LivesPeer. They have Stellar Lumens. They have Zcash and Digital Large Cap. All right. So Digital Large Cap, probably the whole thing, right? So anyways, this is a lot. This is a huge statement here. Like, this is a whole ETF, a bunch of ETF funds for these cryptos, right? So this is a really big statement. I guess you can call it CTF because it's a crypto, right? So yeah, anyways, that is very good news there. Let's keep reading this article, because this is a really big statement. This means that actual institutions with millions and billions of dollars are coming in, buying crypto left and right? So Ether funds registered $17.7 million in weekly inflows, bringing their year-to-date total to $960 million and snapping 3 consecutive weekly outflows. So funds investing in Polkadot XRP saw inflows of $2.1 million. So they have a bunch of different funds reaching all the way up to $29.8 billion. That's huge. $29.8 billion worth of crypto assets. So that's huge right there. And more different stuff that we have is the Bitcoin bull run, only in the disbelief cycle, they're calling it. And actually, this kind of makes sense. Look at this. Let's zoom in here. So this is the cycle they talk about. You have the disbelief all the way here at the bottom. Then you have the hope. And then you have the optimism. People start to see it go all the way up. Then you have the belief. Then you have the thrill. And then you have the euphoria, which is pretty much the whole FOMO cycle, the whole fear of missing out. People invest right up here, right at the top. And then it kind of drops. And they're like, anyway, it'll go right back up. So they're complacent. Then it keeps going down. Now the anxiety sets in. Then the denial. Then the panic. Then the capitulation, and then the anger, and then the depression, and then the disbelief. They're saying we're in the disbelief cycle right now. So, it's kind of a little accurate, but remember what happens at the end of the disbelief cycle. Let's go all the way back here. So what happens at the end of the disbelief cycle, it actually ends up coming back into the chart, right? So it comes back into a bullish chart. So that's probably what we're going to end up seeing after this whole cycle. This whole bullish chart, it goes here to the peak, then it goes to the trial, and then it goes all the way up to prosperity after the disbelief. So honestly, we could be coming right back up for another bull cycle, another bull run, right? Because this whole previous bull run, just look at how it happened. Like, it came in so quick, and then it kind of died out, and then it came right back in really, really fast, and now it's died out, and now it might be ready for another bull run. So this could be happen in the future. This could happen right now. It could happen at any time. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But if we're going off of this chart, this is probably the point right now where we restart the whole cycle, because you see the disbelief right there, and then you see the disbelief right over here. They're two different areas, and it's for a reason, because at the disbelief, that is the start of the bull cycle, the bull run. So it started right over here the same way, and over there the same way. So we're about to see another bull run in theory, if we're talking about the charts here. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. This is just a heads up warning. This is what the charts are saying. So yeah, China sends out another crypto crackdown warning as it orders a Beijing software maker to shut down. So now they're having more software makers out there to shut down. The Beijing Quadao, whatever you want to call it, cultural development, closed its doors on the orders of a Beijing office of China's central bank, which said the company had facilitated crypto transactions via the software services they offered. So they want no crypto transactions out of any of these large banks or anything out there inside of China. It keeps happening, and now they keep putting more regulations. They keep shutting more of these down every single day. So more FUD is being spread about crypto all over. So anything that's bad spread about crypto is going to, relate to Dogecoin's price and all the other cryptos. So yeah, everything's getting hit right now. And yeah, the move by China's central bank and Beijing's financial regulator steps up the crackdown on crypto. So this is like the main headline of all the cryptos right now. So everything's just kind of selling off because of this, and a lot of other FUD. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe, and check out the link in the description for free stock with Robinhood and Webull. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.